Along with Vaisal, I'm Ermin, and we welcome you to this beginner natural language processing course. If you're new to NLP, rest assured that we're going to put you through the whole process. We're going to show you how to install Python. We're going to talk about some of the foundations in NLP. We're going to talk about the different NLP libraries and packages. We'll get into talking, of course, about text processing or pre-processing, things like tokenization, stemming, lemmatization, POS tagging, NER or named entity recognition. We're going to look at some of the relevant algorithms for NLP, and we're also going to get into case studies, like doing a case study on document similarity, which is going to be quite interesting as well. We're also going to be updating the course all the time. Don't be surprised if you enter the course and then a month later see a new topic that we've added. Remember, you have the course for life after you buy it. So any new content that gets added is yours. And I think what's really special about Udemy is also the fact that you can go into the Q&A and ask any questions that you may want. And remember as well that if you don't like the course for some reason, which would be really strange, I think, you can get your money back within 30 days. That's a Udemy guarantee. So don't wait, register today for this amazing course.